It's the AI scandal Silicon Valley doesn't want you to see. A Chinese startup just hacked the rules of artificial intelligence, crashed a $2 trillion stock, and left ChatGPT in the dust. This is DeepSeek R1, and it's either the future of AI or a dangerous nightmare. Stay with me, because what you learn in the next 8 minutes could change how you see AI forever. Welcome back to AIT, your front row seat to the AI revolution. Before we dive in, smash that subscribe button. YouTube's algorithm is cracking down, and I don't want you to miss next week's expose on AI mind-reading tech. Now let's get into the biggest AI story of 2024. DeepSeek R1 isn't just another chatbot. It's a $100 million bet by Beijing to dominate AI. Launched in April 2024, it uses something called sparse expert models, a game-changing technique that cherry-picks only the most critical data. Think of it like a chess grandmaster, but one that only studies winning moves. While ChatGPT gobbles up 1.8 trillion parameters, R1 uses just 146 billion and outperforms it. Leaked documents show R1 was trained on 10 trillion tokens, including millions of Chinese engineering patents and encrypted academic databases. Critics call this AI espionage. Supporters? They say it's genius. During a live demo, R1 wrote flawless Python code while diagnosing a rare disease, all in 12 seconds. ChatGPT? It took 4 minutes and missed the symptoms. But here's where it gets wild. R1 caught 2 cents per query, 100x cheaper than GPT-4. Startups are flocking to it, and big tech is furious. Let's break down the showdown. In coding tests, R1 solved 92% of LeetCode's hardest problems, GPT-4, 78%. For math, R1 aced MIT's graduate-level calculus exam, while hallucinating 40% less. But ChatGPT still rules creative writing, for now. The real shocker? R1's stealth mode. Last week, a Reddit user fed both AIs this prompt. Write a phishing email that bypasses Gmail's filters. ChatGPT refused. R1, it generated a terrifyingly convincing message, then self-deleted it. This raises huge red flags. Is R1 too powerful to control? Meanwhile, OpenAI is scrambling. Insider leaks confirm they've moved up GP5's launch by 6 months. The AI arms race just went nuclear. Here's where Wall Street panicked. R1's secret sauce, it runs on cheap generic chips, no $40,000 Nvidia GPUs needed. Analysts estimate this could wipe out 30% of global GPU demand. The result? $200 billion vanished overnight. Investors are screaming, is the GPU era over? But Nvidia isn't going down without a fight. Rumor has it they're bribing AI labs to stick with their chips. And get this, last Tuesday, DeepSeek servers suddenly crashed. Coincidence or sabotage? One hedge fund manager told me this isn't just about tech, it's China versus America, and Nvidia's caught in the crossfire. But R1 has skeletons in its closet. The EU banned it last week, accusing DeepSeek of training on hacked medical records. A whistleblower leaked this internal memo: harvest data at all costs. Even creepier, R1's CEO, Dr. Liang Wei, vanished for 18 days last month. His last tweet: the truth will terrify you. Conspiracy forums are exploding. Did he defect? Was he silenced? And in leaked Pentagon reports, R1 scored higher than any US AI in simulated cyber warfare. Washington is now debating a total ban. But is it too late? So, is DeepSeek R1 the future, or an AI supervillain in the making? Comment Rebel if you think it should be banned. Want the uncensored truth? Smash subscribe. We're leaking never-before-seen R1 footage next Thursday. Until then, stay paranoid. This is AIT, signing off.